Good morning everyone. Right, I'm making these stick pins up for the shop so that I thought, you know, you might as well join me. And when I do them, when I'm making them for the shop, I do a really good selection of beads. Now I've got some large grey ones here that I'm going to mix with some the 10mm crystals. I've got some small crystals. I've even got these teardrops, seed beads, roundels, spacers, tiny spacers, and some more roundels here. So what I do is I play around till I get what I'm looking for, and I'm going to work from smallest to the largest. So I'm just going to use one of these very tiny spacers on a pearl head, and obviously I'm going to work down in size, but I'm going to go for this pink. Now let me try this first. Small pink teardrop, pink, oops a daisy. Let's do another smaller spacer. Yeah, like that. I'll do another spacer. Yeah, they're cute, those. I'm going to do one of these. Now I have a selection of pink beads. These are very, very pale pink. These are misshaped. They've got like flat patches on them, where those are all round. But I like these because they're different, and I like to be different. See, that looks really pretty. I'm going to put a crystal on it this time. One of these, and then one of those crystals, I think. Let's see how we... You see what happens when you've got stupid fingers like me. Well, that was a bummer. Ignore and start again. Because my fingers aren't working this morning. I do apologise for that. So let's just see if I've got the right one. Now I put a crystal on it. I'll have to go and pick them up because I do use these crystals a lot. Another spacer. Let's see if I can keep my hands over here. Like that. Yes, I'm happy with that. That bead with a we put one of these on then, didn't we? The roundel, and then that crystal, and then I might put on, no, too much. So I'm going to put on another. I'm going to put on another. And I like those. They're pretty. So glue guns on. Just put a little dab of glue on the second to last bead. Push that on and twist, and that will even that glue around there. Oh, I like those. And they're pretty. So I'm going to do 3 of those, I think. Actually, I might make 6 of these, and because what I do is I sell them in sets of 3 and 6, but that's really pretty. Do like that one a lot. Now I've a feeling my dogs are coming up to say hello. They do come up now and again. Hello, my darlings, what are you doing? Who's this one? This is Joey. Hello, Joey. Say hello. Say hello. No. Whoops. Wait a minute. Say hello, Lucky. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. All right, you've said hello, Lucky. Joey. No. See, no. There. Joey didn't want to say hello. Well, he came in. That's the main thing, isn't it? Yeah, I've been teaching them to open the drawer to get their ball and playthings out. What are you wanting, honey bun? Huh? Shuggy? Sugar, what do you want? Sit down. No. I'm filming. No. You can't come up because you'll get he's nudging my arm to move to say hello and stroke him. Go down. Go see Dada. Go get him. Little buggers, aren't they? There we go. I'm going to make 6 of these and then do them in sets of 3, I think. So I thought you might as well join me, and I know beginners, newbies, sometimes ask, you know, how do you do this, that and the other fee? How do you make a good stick pin? Well, your stick pins can be anything you like. Don't dish your own work before you've even decided what to do. This particular pearl, I like this one. I love the shape of it, like off shape. But I do like to make my stick pins for my shop. And if you've not been, it's Jennings Crafts Boutique. It's on the Zibbet, and the link to the description, the link to the shop is in the description of all my videos. Make sure the older videos won't have the same link, because we don't have that old shop anymore. We have this Zibbet store, which is a lot easier to use. Like you say. He's back again. I don't know what you want. I don't have it. Oh, hello, it's Joey. Come here. Now, what are you doing? Are your brothers coming? Now I can hear him. They're jealous to death of each other. Look, he's jealous of Joey more. Wait a minute. Now, did you find the ball? Where's the ball? Go get your ball. Go get it. Go get your rubber ring. Go get it. Downstairs. Downstairs. Go get your ball. One more to go of these. Sometimes I end up with beads everywhere. But never mind. I'm the cleaner, so I pick them up. Now, let me see. Because I have to make... Yeah, I've put it on there. That one's wrong, so I'll have to alter that one so that they match. Actually, I won't. I can keep that for myself. Just keep those there. I'll pick those up later. I put an extra one in, and I didn't want to do that, so we'll just put them on. And now we're back together where we need to be. The matching set. There we go. So I will have to do one more. So small spacer, upside down teardrop. Oh, it's not actually teardrops, are that way, aren't they? Crystal. It's really, really windy outside. It's been windy like this all night long. And it's so annoying because it wakes you up. Yeah, we've got that. Now the little diamante one. Now the large one. And then that one again. And that's my first set of 6 done. So they are as easy as that. It's just, sometimes we go from the large to the small. It is all depending on what you like. I like those. They're very pretty, dainty, lovely, stunning in a flower. So that's one lot done. So now what we're going to do is another one. Let me take off this thread. Right, now this time I'm going to use this little bead with a small spacer. There, we'll leave that there. Okay, so again I'm going to use the clear crystal, the small one. Now this time I'm going to use this little pink bead. No, I'm not. I'm going to use one of these. They're a smaller white one. That's better. I like that. Then we're going to put the Wait a minute. See, I need to put the spacer on first. So I'm doing something in between each bead. Then a spacer again. Yes, that's nice. And then I'm going to do a larger crystal. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do a larger bead. Let's do the pink bead. It's a beautiful, beautiful bead is this one. Now, I haven't used space caps with them. Space caps. Bead caps, not space cap. That's not going to go in. I might have trouble with these beads because they are... Oh, that's it. No, that's the same size. Don't want that. Want one slightly bigger. Let's go for this one then. See what this one's like. Not bad. And I think we'll use a bead cap for that. So, just to cap that off, I'm just going to put some here because I have different ones. And I'm going to use the bell-shaped one because I like that one, I think. No. No, I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use this one, I think. See if the silver one works. Yeah, that works. Just clean the glue off the bottom section, if there is any. But hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're pretty. So we've that one and that one. Spacer, crystal, small roundel. I'm going to put another roundel on that first. Oops, a daisy. And put the crystal, then the roundel. Yeah, I'm going to take that other spacer off. I want it like that, I'm not sure. I'm going to take the pearl off. Let me just take the pearl off, I think. No. Hang on, I'm not.